The Pixel 7 Pro focuses on aesthetics. It is a sophisticated phone with a variety of color options, some of which are exclusive to this manufacturer. This, along with the phone's distinctive design, helps it to stand out. We're not complaining that it appears nearly identical to the Pixel 6 Pro, but with a bit more polish. Google Pixel 7 Pro price and availability. The Google Pixel 7 Pro was unveiled alongside the Google Pixel 7 and Google Pixel Watch at Google's Pixel 7 event. It is now available for pre-order and will be available on October 13th. Google notes that the starting price of $899 or £849 or $1,299 for 128 GB of storage is less than recent Pro-level flagship launches by its major competitors. Google Pixel 7 Pro design. The Google Pixel 7 Pro has a unique design in the world of smartphones, particularly if you are unfamiliar with the Pixel 6 family and newer models. The Pixel 7 Pro retains the camera band across the back, a metal band spanning the glass back. Because the metal band is uniform and symmetrical, it appears more natural than a corner camera bump. Similar to the Pixel 7, the Pixel 7 Pro conceals two cameras behind a single lens opening, with an additional lens opening for the telephoto zoom camera. The folded mechanism is partially visible through the glass. Google Pixel 7 Pro screen. During our time with the phone, the 6.7-inch display on the Google Pixel 7 Pro appeared to be of the highest quality. The interface was incredibly fluid and lightning fast. The screen runs at 1000 nits and can push 1500 nits, which is noticeably bright but not as bright as the iPhone 14 Pro's 2000 nit capability. Similar to Apple's smartphone, Google's display is an LTPO OLED with a maximum refresh rate of 120 Hz. It also includes an attractive always-on mode that should not significantly drain the battery. The camera image appears sharp and vibrant on the viewfinder and the display. Google Pixel 7 Pro camera. When we finally put the Pixel 7 Pro's camera through its paces and see what kind of images it can produce, we'll have the answers to our most pressing questions. With the Tensor 2 chip, Google will have to perform behind-the-scenes miracles if we're to have high hopes. According to its specifications, the Pixel 7 Pro has an average camera. It has a shorter zoom range than the Galaxy S22 Ultra. The new macro focus mode can target subjects up to 3 centimeters away, but the iPhone can get even closer. The 50MP primary camera is impressive, but there are mobile devices with more than 100 megapixels. Instead of relying on specifications, Google relies on processing power. Google claims that the Tensor G2 chip significantly enhances the zoom function, macro focus, and portrait mode. Google Pixel 7 Pro software. Obviously, the Pixel 7 Pro will ship with Android 13, the most recent version of Google's operating system. Google will likely not make many changes to the interface itself. That means you won't have access to a plethora of customizable options and advanced, playful features as you would on a Samsung One U iPhone. Instead of touch buttons on the screen, you will have access to standard Google features like gesture controls to navigate the interface. Tensor will help create more natural skin tones in portrait photography. It also de-blurs photos in your library, regardless of whether or not they were taken with the Pixel 7 Pro. In addition to super zoom and macro focus, the Tensor will aid in night photography. Google Pixel 7 Pro performance. The Google Pixel 7 Pro's performance should be a mixed bag, but we believe the phone will deliver in all the right ways. The processor may not be the most powerful, but we anticipate improvements over the Pixel 6 Pro in terms of graphics performance and perhaps how it handles live features. With Tensor G2, Google creates its own mobile platform, including the microprocessor, and has taken the unusual step of describing each of the processor cores it employs. We won't get too technical, but every processor is comprised of similar components called cores, and Google's engine does not use the most powerful cores. We do know that Google is using a better graphics processor in this phone, and there have been improvements to the G2's machine learning features, which give Pixel phones their unique flavor. Google Pixel 7 Pro battery. The Google Pixel 7 Pro's 5000 mAh battery is large, but not the largest on the market. Google asserts that it will exceed 24 hours of normal usage, which is in line with current industry standards. It appears that the 2-day smartphone is not yet available, or perhaps it is. According to Google, in extreme battery saver mode, the Pixel 7 Pro can operate for up to 72 hours. Given the slow charging, Google will have a difficult time convincing us that this is the best smartphone in the world. The phone can be charged at up to 30 watts, although a charger is not included. If you enjoyed today's video, then feel free to smash the like button and subscribe to our channel.